My name is Harpreet Kaur. I'm the South Asia researcher and representative for the Business and Human Rights Resource Center. In my work, I aim to bring examples of companies affecting human rights in South Asia to a global and influential audience. This helps ensure that people's concerns are heard and addressed. We also provide a platform for the work of local organizations. Recently, I went to Dhaka in Bangladesh with Myla Rosenthal, one of the resource center's trustee. We met with many people from labor rights and environmental NGOs, trade unions and businesses. On regional research missions like this one, we want to gather information that we would not necessarily receive without meeting people face to face. We heard about abuses of human rights by the private sector, such as women working excessive hours for little pay in clothing factories supplying big brand names, construction workers who are often injured or die due to unsafe working conditions. We also heard that 25% of the workers' population in the shipbreaking industry are children, an industry that is dangerous even for the adults. We also heard about the many ways in which the local groups are working to combat these issues. For example, Safety and Rights compile media reports about industrial accidents, campaigns for safer conditions, and help the families of the workers who have been killed or injured to get compensation. They estimated that in the year 2010, a total of 142 workers died alone in the construction sector and 152 workers in the manufacturing sector, of which 66 workers died in the apparel industry. A group of NGOs and communities also protested against the Fulbari coal mining project. The project, if implemented, would have devastating environmental impacts and could displace more than 200,000 people. Following the protest, the project is on hold. Similarly, National Garments Workers Federation promotes worker safety and rights. They help unite garment workers, build awareness about their rights, provide them leadership skills, leadership trainings, and also legal support when required. NGWF also organize countrywide movements for the betterment of garment workers. These organizations' work is not easy, and they often face retaliation. For example, Kalpana Akhtar and her colleagues at the Bangladesh Consortium for Worker Solidarity has been accused of 11 criminal charges for demanding worker safety and rights. Some companies themselves are taking action on human rights. For example, we met with the local network of the UN Global Compact, who has been actively involved in creating awareness among companies about their social responsibilities. We also had the opportunity to meet with a group of international firms that were discussing how to improve the vulnerable situation of Bangladeshi workers overseas. We let the companies know before we post an allegation about them on our website and invite them to include their response alongside. Our website also provides guidance material and examples of good practices that companies can use. Now, I'm back in Delhi, but I'll stay in close contact with the organizations we met with and other people in Bangladesh. I hope to continue to shine a spotlight on the specific cases, helping local organizations in their work to prevent abuses of human rights.